Hey, do you want to learn how to get summary of any PDF file using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with this tool called pdf.ai. So let's get started. Over here, I'm on this website and I can click on this get started to get started with it. I've put a link in the description. You can go through that. And it's going to help me out with a small commission if you get any of these paid plans on this website. They do have a free plan as well. So I'm going to use that here. So let's go over here, click on get started. Then what you need to do is click on upload here and upload the file. Once you've done that, you're going to see this. This is my Solvebase Media Kit stats. I've put that PDF file here, and then you can click on edit, or you can just click here to go inside the chat feature of pdf.ai. What I did was I clicked on this first icon, which is basically prompt library. And then you're going to find these, don't know what to ask, try these. So I'm going to use this one, which is give me a summary of this document. You've got these other ones as well. Your prompt library settings, download chat history as a .pdf, .txt. You've also got the system prompt. So if you want to enable it from here, you can do that. You want the AI to act as someone. Like here, you're an expert at summarizing academic papers. You can just type it in here and you can click on save. All right, so I said, give me a summary of this document. And this is what it created. Sounds great. And I can type in here enter your question field if I want to ask it something else as well. Now I'm going to show you a free alternative to this as well, which is chatgpt. All you have to do is go over here and then ask it to summarize this PDF and highlight the key points. And you need to upload your PDF by clicking on this add photos and files, then click on add photos and files here. Then just select your PDF and that's it. Now you just need to say summarize this PDF and highlight the key points like I said before. And it's going to say all this, the key point stats, the audience demographics, audience interest, and a lot more. And yeah, that's it. These are the two ways to summarize any PDF using AI. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more chat, GPT, and PDF related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.